Hi students, how are you all? I know you all are fine. Today we are going to read a very interesting rhyming poem. Okay, the name of the poem is Cat in a Hat. Okay, the name of the poem is Cat in a Hat. This poem is a very rhyming poem and we will find some rhyming words from this poem. Now let's read the poem. The name of the poem is Cat in a Hat. Now student, look at the name Cat Hat. Cat and hat, these two words are rhyming words. Okay, now let's read the poem. Where are you going, my little cat? Where are you going, my little cat? I am going to town to get me a hat. Little means not big. Little means, look at the word meanings. Little means not big. Little means not big. Now, I am going to town to get me a hat. The cat is going to a town to get her or get his hat. Okay? What? A hat for a cat. What? A hat for a cat? A cat get a hat. Whoever saw a cat with a hat? Whoever saw a cat with a hat? Now, let's read the poem once again. The first stanza of this poem. Where are you going, my little cat? I am going to town to get me a hat. What? A hat for a cat? A cat get a hat. Whoever saw a cat with a hat? Okay, now next para. Where are you going, my little dog? Look at the book. This is the picture of little cat and now this is the picture of little dog. And these lines are about this dog. Okay, listen. Where are you going, my little dog? I am going to town. The dog is also going town and the cat is also going town. I am going to town to sit on a log. Why? The dog is going to town. Because he want to sit on a log. What? A log for a dog? A dog get a log. Whoever saw a dog on a log? Whoever saw a dog on a log. Okay. Now next para. Look at the picture. And this para is about the mouse. The little mouse. Where are you going, my little mouse? I am going to town to find me a house. Where are you going, my little mouse? I am going to town to find me a house. What? A house for a mouse. A mouse find a house. Whoever saw a mouse in a house? I did. Okay? This is the whole poem. Okay, now student, you have to find out some rhyming words from this poem. There is lots of rhyming words. Okay, now first stanza. In the first stanza, there are two rhyming words. Cat, hat. Where are you going, my little cat? I am going to town to get me a hat. So, cat and hat are the rhyming words. Cat, hat. Look. C-A-T, cat, H-A-T, hat. And the next stanza, where are you going, my little dog? Dog. And then the rhyming word of dog is, I am going to town to sit on a log. L-O-G, log. Log is the rhyming word of dog. Okay, now next para. Where are you going, my little mouse? This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now find out which word is the rhyming word of mouse. I am going to town to find me a house. Mouse, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Look student, cat, hat. The two words are rhyming words. Dog, log. Two words are rhyming words. Mouse, house. Okay, this poem is a rhyming poem. Okay, what type of poem is this? It is a rhyming poem. Now, you have to know the word meanings. House. House means a building. House means a building. H-O-U-S-E. House means building. Where people live. House means building where people live. And the next third word is whoever. Whoever means the person or people. Whoever. Whoever. Whoever means a person. person or people. Okay. Now, town. Town means city. You all know the meaning of town. Town means city. Okay. Now let's read the word meanings. Little means not big. Little means not big. House means building where people live. House means building where people live. Whoever means person or people. Now town means city. Town means city. Okay, now student, turn over your page number 44. Now we are going to discuss about the question answer from this poem. The first question is, why is the cat going to the town? You all know, as you can read in the poem, there is line, why is the cat going to town? Now I am rewriting this question. The first question is, why is the cat going to the town? Going to the town. You all know the answer of this question. Why is the cat going to the town? Look at the poem. There is a line. Where are you going, my little cat? I am going to town to get me a hat. Why? So write the answer. You have to write like this. The cat is going to the town to get a hat. To get a hat. To get a hat. Okay. So why is the cat going to the town? The cat is going to the town to get a hat. Okay. Do you understand? Now the next question. Is the speaker surprised? Is the speaker surprised? How can we tell? Now look at the poem. There is a line. What? A hat for a cat? What? A lock for a dog? What? A house for a mouse? This sentence identifies that the speaker is surprised. Okay. Now I am writing the question. Question number 2. Is the speaker surprised? Okay, then next, how can we tell? How can we tell? You have to write, is the speaker surprised? You have to write yes, because the answer is yes. Yes, the speaker is surprised. Yes, he is surprised. Yes, he is surprised. Why? How can we tell that? Because to see a cat in a hat, comma, dog on a log, and mouse in a house. Mouse in a house. Okay? Is the speaker surprised? Yes, he is surprised. Or you can write yes, the speaker is surprised. How can we tell? We can tell that he is surprised to see a cat in a hat, comma, a dog on a log, and mouse in a house. And the next question is, where is the dog going? Where is the dog going? You all know where is the dog going? Question number 3. Where is the dog going? Where is the dog going? Okay. And the next question is, what is the dog going to do? 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 Where is the dog going? As you can see in the poem, there is a line, I am going to town. The dog is also going to the town. So you have to write, where is the dog going? The dog is going to the town. To the town. Why? What is the dog going to do? To sit on a log. The dog wants to sit on a log. Sit on a log. Okay? This is the answer of this question. So, read the question. Where is the dog going? Where is the dog going? You all know the dog is going to the town. What is the dog going to do? He is going to sit on a log, as you can write like this. The dog is going to the town to sit on a log. Okay? And the next question. Have you ever seen a mouse in a house? Have you ever seen, student? Now write the question number 4 in your copy. Question number 4. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen a mouse in a house? In a house. Have you ever seen? Yes, we all have seen. Yes, you have to write yes. I have seen a mouse in a house. Okay? So we have completed the question answer. Now student, look at your book, page number 44. Try to add some lines to the poem. You have to add some lines to the poem. How? Here are some animals. Look at the pictures. Here are some pictures of animals are given. Okay. So can you think of rhyming words for these animals? With the help of this clue, there is also clue given. Okay. So you have to find out the rhyming word of this animal. Okay. Fox. Look, first animal is fox. What is the rhyming words of fox? Look, box. Now I am writing. The first animal is fox. F-O-X. Now, what is the rhyming word of fox? Box. There is the picture of box. So, box is the rhyming words of fox. Now, the next animal is rat. What is this? Rat. R-A-T, rat. And in the clues, there is a picture of bat. So, rat, bat, bat. B-A-T, bat. And also any other rhyming word is there. Mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. So, fox, box, rat, bat, mat. Next animal is bear. Next animal is bear. B-E-A-R, bear. And the rhyming word of bear is chair. What is this? Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Okay. Now sparrow. The animal is sparrow. Sparrow is a bird. Okay. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. And the rhyming word of sparrow is arrow. There is a picture of arrow. So write arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. And snake. Snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Find out the rhyming word of snake. Cake. Snake. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Now hen. Hen. The animal is hen. H-E-N. Hen. What is the rhyming word of hen? Pen. There is the picture of pen. Pen is the rhyming word of hen. So, pen. Okay. Now, fish. Fish. F-I-S-H is fish. The rhyming word of fish is dish. There is a picture of dish. So write dish. D-I-S is dish. Okay, so these are the rhyming words, but student, you have to add some lines with these rhyming words. Now I am going to add some lines. Fox and box. Okay, where are you going, my little fox? Where are you going, my little fox? I am going to town to get me a box. To get me a box. What? A fox for a box. A fox get a box. Whoever saw a fox with a box? Okay, now rat, bat or mat. Where are you going, my little rat? Where are you going, my little rat? I am going to town to get me a bat. Okay, to get me a bat. What? A rat for a bat. Whoever saw a rat with a bat? Okay, you have to add these lines. Okay, now student, question number 3. Find the correct words. The letters are jumbled. There are some letters which are jumbled. You have to make a word. The first jumbled letters are H-T-E-N. Now student, arrange them in correct order. Nest. N-E-S-T. N-E-S-T. Nest. Then number B. K-A-Y. Now correct the jumbled letters. Y-A-K. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. And then number C is T-I-K-E. T-I-K-E. What is this? You all know kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. And number D. Very easy. K-O-O-B. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Now number D. N-I-T. Arrange the letters. T-I-N. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. Okay. So you have to make words with these jumbled letters. Okay.